To use PayPal for selling items. Start by creating a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Go to the PayPal website and click on Sign Up. Then follow the prompts to enter your email address, password and other basic information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by PayPal. Once your account is set up, you need to add a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, to receive payments. To do this, log into your PayPal account and click on Wallet. Then link a bank account or card. This will allow you to receive payments from buyers. Next, create a PayPal payment button to add to your website or online store. To do this, log into your PayPal account and click on Tools. Then All Tools. Then PayPal Buttons. Choose the type of button you want, such as a Buy Now or Add to Cart button, and customize the settings as needed. When a buyer makes a purchase, they will be directed to a PayPal payment page where they can enter their payment information. Once the payment is made, the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account. You can then transfer the funds to your bank account or use them to make purchases online. To ensure secure transactions, make sure to use PayPal's Seller Protection Policy, which covers eligible transactions in case of unauthorized payments or item not received claims. You can also use PayPal's shipping labels to print shipping labels and track packages. Best practices for using PayPal for selling items include clearly describing the items you are selling, providing accurate photos and prices, and responding promptly to buyer inquiries. You should also keep records of all transactions, including payment receipts and shipping labels. By following these steps and best practices, you can use PayPal to securely and efficiently sell items online. Remember to always follow PayPal's policies and guidelines to ensure a smooth and successful selling experience.